Tandya Brahmana. Unraveling the mystical insights and ritualistic wisdom of the Samveda. The Tandya Brahmana, an integral part of the Samveda, serves as a treasure trove of ritualistic practices, symbolic interpretations, and spiritual insights. This article delves into the essence of the Tandya Brahmana, exploring its composition, ritual significance, allegorical interpretations, and its enduring significance in illuminating the profound connection between the physical and metaphysical realms. Brief overview. Encompassed within the rich tapestry of the Samveda, the Tandya Brahmana beckons seekers to explore the intricate interplay between rituals and spiritual revelations. This compilation of texts not only elucidates the mechanics of Vedic rituals but also delves into their symbolic significance and their role in guiding individuals towards higher spiritual understanding. Composition and structure. The Tandya Brahmana is divided into two main sections, the Anuvakas and the Prapathakas. These divisions structure the Brahmana into chapters that present a range of rituals, their rationale, and the underlying philosophical insights that connect the human experience with cosmic order. Ritualistic significance. At its core, the Tandya Brahmana serves as a guidebook to Vedic rituals. It meticulously details the procedures, enunciations of mantras, and symbolic actions that constitute these rituals. By adhering to these practices, individuals establish a deep connection with the cosmic fabric and align themselves with the universal harmony. Symbolism and allegorical interpretations. Beyond the apparent ritualistic elements, the Tandya Brahmana offers allegorical interpretations that unveil deeper layers of meaning. Rituals are seen as microcosmic reflections of cosmic events, and symbolic actions become pathways to spiritual understanding. This allegorical approach transforms rituals into vehicles for self-discovery and a means to contemplate the metaphysical realities. Philosophical insights. The Tandya Brahmana seamlessly weaves philosophical reflections into its teachings. It contemplates the nature of reality, the relationship between the finite and the infinite, and the path to self-realization. These insights guide seekers towards understanding the unity of all existence and the intricate threads that connect the individual to the cosmos. Enduring relevance. In the modern context, the Tandya Brahmana's teachings continue to hold relevance. Its emphasis on the interplay between rituals and philosophical contemplation offers a holistic approach to spirituality. It invites individuals to explore the intricate dance between the tangible and the intangible, fostering a deeper connection to both the ritualistic practices and the profound metaphysical dimensions. Conclusion. The Tandya Brahmana stands as a testament to the profound synergy between rituals, philosophical insight, and allegorical interpretations. By immersing ourselves in its verses, rituals, and contemplative practices, we embark on a transformative journey. The Brahmana invites us to uncover the layers of meaning within rituals, bridging the gap between the material and the spiritual, and ultimately leading us towards a harmonious existence that resonates with the cosmic symphony of the universe.